I got a package from Shein. And when I'm privileged to go, you're gonna see me try it on. Okay, so first is the skirt. Perfect for being, especially because we wear these kind of skirts. If it's not fagili, I'm a bleed. So this, I would turn around to go there. On the list, next on the list is this costume of mine. I'm not gonna wear it because I can't, like, looking in flesh, but it has these gold accessories on it. It's so pretty, it's so cute. It's giving like a luxury costume. It has insimbi by the bra, so if someone who has big boobs, it's gonna hold your boobs properly. It's like a push-up bra type of vibe. For my thick girls, make sure you buy it. Everything is gonna be on the screen. You can scan the code if you want it. This has to be one of my favorite purchases. Niyazingani ukuthi girl is doing LLB. So nje ngimrokele ukuthi umfishane kumele ngithole into engizoyifaka ngaphansi nayo, whether it's leggings or stockings. I'm gonna see kodwa njengoba kuvela izinto, it's probably gonna be leggings. Khona kuzoba black kahle. But next is the shirt, so I'm just gonna put it on. Yabona ke nakade ngimlindile guys, nakade ngimlindile ngizomgqokela nje ngibe mysterious. There's no black or black, wear black uzoba right uzobona. But I really like this, and I go to Cops, guys. I go to Cops, right? Yabonga uzophambisa nesandla eklasini. I go to Cops and usab crop top inyana. Njengoba ngishilo summer ngiyabangena. This is my mini dress for the summer. For the first time I can do a 360, guys. This dress didn't fit, guys, but it's also gorgeous.